everyone, I hope you all are doing well and are safe at your homes. In this video, I'm going to show you how to play London Bridges Falling Down on the keyboard. I know you all must be thinking this is a very easy song, but this tutorial is meant for the beginners. So let's get going. So first I'll play the whole song for you. So this is how it goes. London Bridge is falling down, falling down, falling down. London Bridge is falling down, my fair lady. The first line is London Bridges. So the notations are D, E, D, C, falling down, B, C, D, falling down, A, B, C, falling down, B, C, D. Then the first two lines will be repeated again. D, E, D, C, B, C, D. Last line, my fair lady. Let's play the whole song once more. D, E, D, C, B, C, D, A, B, C, B, C, D, D, E, D, C, B, C, D, A, D, B, G. I hope you've liked the video. If yes, then smash that like button, and for more such videos, subscribe my channel. Stay tuned for more videos. Thanks for watching.